Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So today we're going to open the November 2018 dollar bead bag and the dollar bead box. So I'm going to put the box aside and we'll open the bag. So this is a subscription. It's $8 a month. Here's their website. You get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm check fire polish beads. So let me just separate them out and we'll look at them. And also, bead bag subscribers can reorder November items through December 31st. So check the website and see if it's right for you. All right, so here are our strands. So let's go through them. Matte purple velvet. Pull in a little bit. Okay. It's beautiful. I love the matte beads. They're so pretty. Sorry, there's an AB on this too. Green opal vitriol. This looks a little more aqua to me. Doesn't quite look green, but sometimes green and blue, some of them just, looks different to me. But it's a beautiful bead. Look at that, look at the little sparkles. I love putting these in between bigger beads, and it's just like in a necklace or a bracelet, and when the light hits it, it just sparkles. We've got cyan. That's this one. That's of that really nice sort of medium red. Really pretty. Look at that sparkly. Opaque white Bermuda blue. Look at the blue flash. Pretty. All right, so those are the 3s. Now the 4mm matte purple velvet AB. Okay, love that. So you've got it in 3 and 4mm. Perfect. This is beautiful. Okay. Matte hyacinth. And I just want to look at the other 2 because I always think of hyacinth as purple. So there's also light garnet and matte aqua. Okay, this is hyacinth. It's orange. I'm a gardener, so when I think of a hyacinth, I generally think of, something purple. But this is beautiful. It's a beautiful orange bead, and it's not neon, so it's really pretty. A nice fall color bead here. All right, so that's hyacinth. Light garnet. Gorgeous. That's beautiful. Now my lights are washing it out a bit. It's a little more saturated in person and very sparkly. Gorgeous. And then matte light aqua. Again, we have a nice matte bead. Love it. And I think these 2 together would be just perfect with some crystals, some silver lebanos. Make something really pretty. Just wanted to show you. I'm going to pull out a little bit. So here, those are the beads. So these bracelets I'm wearing today are all made with dollar bead bag beads. So these are, and dollar bead box. So these, some of the druck is from the bead box, but all the fire polish, they're all from the dollar bead bag. So this is a recent video. This one's it's not that old. It's not super old, but I'm going to put a playlist, link to my playlist in the description box under the video so that you can take a look. Because you always, if you want to make something and you need some inspiration, take a look and see what you think. All right. So here's the box. So let me put those aside. Let's open the box. Of course, you get your letter. I'm going to just dump these beads out, and then we'll go through them. All right. So they always have some kind of, update or something. So winter is on the way. Before we know it, the holidays will be here. Yeah, that's for sure. Okay, so of course, beaded gifts are beautiful. We always do that, don't we? And they're on Pinterest, so check out the Pinterest site. Okay, so then on the other side we have our list. So let's go through the list. So we're going to start out with the strands. So here are the strands. Let me move these guys out of the way so I don't mix them up. Okay. So here are our strands, nice colors. We've got 6mm check glass Lucerna bicones, and these are 2-tone aqua peridot. They're 25 pieces. I don't really see peridot in there, but it could be just my lights. They might be in there a little bit, but it looks just very aqua to me, and I love these Lucerna bicones. They're so pretty. They're not faceted, so they're like an interesting shape, a little more casual than, a Swarovski crystal. Really pretty. 6mm check glass druck, medium topaz. There are 30 pieces here. Love. Let me pull these down so you can see. I love this bead. I love my druck beads. And they're very uniform, which is really nice. So you can really use this in place of a gemstone or even a pearl. It's beautiful. Love it. 6 by 8mm check glass corrugated rondelle. Olive rainbow iris, and there are 32 pieces. That's beautiful. I love anything olive, and you see how that sort of etching, the way it's corrugated. Very pretty. I love these two together. 4 by 7mm vintage German glass rice bead, and that's interesting, funny, because I just pulled out some purple rice beads, and I was to do something with. I'm not sure what, but I pulled them out and I thought, how pretty are they? These are beautiful colors. Look at these beautiful fall colors. They look like stones. Already, I like these 3 together. Maybe as a 3-strand necklace. Very easy. Put some little seed beads in between and some connectors. We even have some connectors from the dollar bead box. And you have a necklace. Okay, so where are we? 8 by 10mm check glass tulip. That's this guy. That's really pretty. And what color do we have here? Yellow, light, aqua, or army green turquoise. So I'm assuming this is yellow, light, aqua. Really pretty. Yeah, very interesting shape. Almost looks like, it looks like a tulip, but if you look at it, it almost looks like a little paw. Like a little paw print, but it isn't, it's a tulip. All right, so 3 by 7mm check glass dagger. You get 25 pieces of this. So check glass dagger, 3 by 7mm tanzanite, silver travertine, or transparent tanzanite. This is the travertine. Get 100 pieces. It's a small one. You know, a small dagger. Very pretty. Love the glow. It has that, you see that glow? I don't know if you can see it in the lights. I see it, but it has a little glow. All right, so those are our strands. Very pretty. Let's do the additional items. Swarovski 4mm zillion rose. SS16s. These are crystal metallic blue. Oh, and these are flatbacks. Let me pull these out. 14 pieces. I'm going to turn them around so you can see them. So this is a flatback crystal. I have a lot of these because I use them. I love to use these in bead embroidery. So you just, you know, you're going to glue them to your foundation and then you can bead around them. But you can also, hold on, just popped into my head. What if you know, put them on your nails? A little Swarovski crystal nails. I would do that. So these are really very cool. It's nice to have these in the box, and I love these, as I said, for bead embroidery. Swarovski 8mm graphic cube in cyan. Must be this one. Okay, that's definitely gorgeous. And where's the hole? The hole goes, okay, wait, here. There you go. There it is there, and it comes out here. Okay, really pretty. Look at that gorgeous color. It's like lit from within. To order one more, make a pair of earrings. I think that's perfect. 12mm pewter toggle. Antique copper plated. There we go. And I love these because, excuse me, I use these for lariats all the time because you can just, you know, you can close it in the front and it's not a big old toggle, right? You know, right there. It's a nice size. 10 to 12mm handmade Chinese lampwork beads. And their color varies. There are 2 of these. Okay, pretty focal bead. You see the lampwork? Really beautiful. Very pretty. 10 to 12mm check glass pillow crystal, 3 pieces. There's your pillow. Really beautiful, clear Pillow bead. It's exactly what it looks like, a little pillow. Cute. Okay, where are we? Oh, okay, 13 by 22 millimeter check glass bow tie, hot ice. Let's see if I can find this guy. Oh, here we go. It's hiding. This is really interesting. Look at that. So this is a foiled piece. And you see, I guess that's why it's called a bow tie, how it crosses over there in the back. They're just sort of like a bow. It's not quite a bow tie, but that's beautiful. It does look like a piece of ice, and it looks like there's a fire in there, right? Doesn't it? It's glowing. It's gorgeous. I would love to bezel this. Not sure about bezeling something that goes indents, but I think it would be pretty as a bezel necklace. I think we'll give it a try. 6 by 7 millimeter check glass barrel beads. Where are you guys? Oh, here you go. Sorry about that. And these are green-red multicolor. There are 3 of them. Really cool. So these 2 go together very well. I would use those for maybe some, for an earring. Really pretty. Christmassy colors, but not, overly bright. Really pretty. 0.7 by 30 millimeter head pins. And I love me head pins. And they're copper. You get 100 pieces in this bag. And this, I like that, the head pin, and we've got both in copper. So that's nice. You can start beading right away. Where am I? Okay. 6 by 16 millimeter brass cord ends, silver plated. What's this? I don't have any of these. These are, I think, are really great for, like, I call them ribbon ends. When you let's say you make a pendant and you hang it from a ribbon, or a velvet ribbon, let's say, this is great to crimp on the ends and close, and then you just add your lobster at the end. So that's a good thing to have. And then an 18 millimeter pewter Celtic cross. And I love anything with Celtic knots on them. Any knots, but Celtic knots in particular I love. And that's a beautiful, beautiful piece. Love it. Really beautiful. Love that. All right, so there you go. There's your box. Here's your bag. So as I said, check out the website if you're interested and see what you think. See if there's a subscription that's right for you. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.